Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video session, we'll look into how to disable button on a HTML web page. So in our application, we use usually buttons in not all the pages but in some pages. So question may arise how to disable these buttons. If you want to disable any button for a certain scenario based on the application logic, so how we are going to disable the button, that is what we are going to learn in this video session. So let's move quickly to the HTML document firstly. So this is our blank HTML document. I have added some basic tags here: HTML head, body. I will add simply here two buttons with the button tag, with the help of button tags. This is my first button. Here I will write some text. Then I will create another button. So I have created two buttons here. I will save this file and I will run the HTML page. See, now here are the two buttons that we have created. So currently both are enabled. I can click on them. So if I want to disable this second button, what I have to do is I will go back to the HTML. So I want to disable this second button. So simply I will use here a property known as disable. I will save this file again. I will go to the HTML and refresh it. See, now you can see here the button has been disabled and it is not even clickable now. The first one is still enabled. I can click the first one, but the second has been disabled. And why is it disabled? Because we have added here property called as disable. So it is that simple to just disable a button on a web page. Now second point is we will learn how to style this disable button with the help of CSS. So currently we have a disable button. If I want to give a style to it, I want to change its color, background color, I want to give some formatting. So how I'm going to do it? I will go back to the HTML. Here in the style tag, we have to use this style for the button, and I will just change the color for demonstration to red. So this will only be applied to the disable, not all the buttons, but buttons that are disabled. So I've changed the color, text color to red. I will save this document. I will refresh the page. See here, now that the color has been changed only of the disable button, not of the enable button. So this is the style that we can use for the disable button. Secondly, I will just, for demonstration purpose, will change the background color to yellow. I will save the file. I will refresh the page. See here, the background color is changed now to yellow. So we have seen here two queries how to disable the button with the help of the disable property of the HTML element, button element, and how to style the disable button. So using button disable style, we can give styling to a disable button. So that's it for this video session. Thank you for watching.